Yan po, happy Monday oh. Maulan na naman. Yan oh. Ayan, magala na sila, okay na. Unti-unti na nasasanay. Ayan. Grabe, yan yung ano dito pag umulan, basa. Yan sila. Lapit na mag 3 months. June, July. Ay, 2 months pa lang pala. June, July, August, 2 months. Dumi, lilinisin pa natin yan. Peace could last forever. In my fresh memories, the shot Kennedy. I went numb when I learned to see, for I never fell for Vietnam. The walls of deceit to remind us all that you can't trust freedom when it's not in your hand. When everybody's fighting for the promised land. I don't need no civil war. Yan o. Your power-hungry selling soldiers in a human grocery store ain't that fresh. But I don't need no civil war. Gaganda na nila, no? Yan na, Pre Randy, oh. Kulit oh. Kahit gabi, away ng away. May ilaw po kasi dyan na ayan oh. Yan. Kaya sa gabi, mailaw po dito. Kumbaga, maliwanag. Busog na mga yan. Look at the way they've always done before. Gaganda na, no? Isang buwan pa, nako. So yun, sa kay Boy Reserve na hindi niya kinuha, mabuti nga. It's your loss, not mine. Ciao, God bless. Love you guys. Mom, I love you. Ala, sige po, tragis. Masili ito, masili oh. Busog na mga to kaya papahinga na. Yan, isa ng pag-alagala. Yan, 2 months pa lang yan, magto 2 months. Sa size oh, 6 ata. Pogi-pogi na oh. Backyard lang po yan. Backyard lang po tayo. Obviously naman. Pero yung mga manok na yan, galing farm. RKG Game Farm yun. Galing ng Oton, Iloilo. Love you guys. Bye.